Alright, so in this video, we'll be going over the for statements in Python. So basically, we use the for statement to go through each of the elements in a list or a tuple or a string or whatever. And there are other uses for this for statement. You can also use it to generate a sequence of numbers. You can use it for performing repetitive tasks and for processing elements in a collection, which was what I said earlier. So let's say, for example, we declare a variable here and we'll call it message. And we'll be using a string. The string, so this string, what do we put there? Let's just say hello. So now I'm going to say for every character in the variable message, I want you put your colon to introduce a new code block. So I want it to print all the characters. So I'll put char here. So once I do this, I'll run and it's going to print all the characters. You can see hello. So that's one of the use of the for statement. So let's say we have a number. Now I want to put in a list of numbers here. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm going to change this character to num. That's a number. So obviously I'm saying for every number in the variable message, I want you to print that number. So what I run is going to, or it's supposed to print all the numbers in there. So you can see it has printed all the numbers. So there are various ways you can use this. So let's say I throw in some words here.